Okay, so how to log into WebTrader? So first of all, you need to download it. So go to right section on the website, click on download MT4, enter your login details like login, password, what you have received from a broker, and select correct server name and click on OK. By the way, if there is no server name, you can also type it manually. Here is the platform. You can see all functions are working now. It means we are logged in. We can go to history. From the left, you can see currency pairs, what you can trade. Also, guys, please check my trading stats on my FX book. So it's trading account, training 5 years. All links you can find in video descriptions. So use same broker and use this robot for free. So auto copy my orders and we both benefit. So you get earn profit and I will earn commission from broker. Check links.